Welcome back to my channel, football fans. In today's video, we are going to dive into everything you need to know about attending FC Barcelona football matches at the new Montjuic Olympic Stadium. As you may already know, due to ongoing construction at the Spotify Camp Nou, all FC Barcelona home matches for this season will be held at the iconic Montjuic Olympic Stadium. So the first step in experiencing the thrill of FC Barcelona matches is getting your hands on those tickets. And the best way to do that is by purchasing them in advance through the FC Barcelona official website. Let's go through the step-by-step process together. Visit the official FC Barcelona website and navigate to the ticket section. Find the specific match you want to attend and click on it to access the ticketing option. Explore the available seating options on the interactive stadium map. Consider factors such as category, view, and proximity to the field. Once you've chosen your desired seats, add them to your cart and proceed to the ticket purchase process. Fill in your personal information and choose your preferred ticket delivery method, whether it's an e-ticket or a physical ticket. Complete the secure payment process and voila! You will receive a confirmation email with your ticket details. Now that you have your tickets, let's talk about finding your seats and getting to the Montjuic Olympic Stadium. This stadium has a unique layout, so it's important to be prepared. Check your ticket for information such as gate numbers, sectors, levels, and seat numbers. This will help you navigate through the stadium effectively. The next important step is actually getting to the stadium on a match day. Let's explore the various transportation options available. While there is no metro station near to the stadium, you can use bus services. Consider the red circuit of the Barcelona hop-on-hop-off bus service as an alternative way to get to the stadium. Another option is to head towards Plaza España and then either take a bus or walk to the stadium. Take the funicular up to Montjuic and walk to the stadium. While there are parking spaces available at the Olympic Stadium, they are very limited. I recommend to park at Plaza España or at FC Barcelona. Before we wrap up, let's discuss some important information to keep in mind when attending FC Barcelona matches. Match schedule change. Please note that the time and the date of the FC Barcelona match can change between the time the ticket goes on sale and the day of the match. Make sure to check for any updates. As always, thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more exciting Barca content.